So as here we are beginning our exercise 4.2. Let me read the question. Find the roots of the following quadratic equation by the factorization. What is this method factorization? This is the method in which we are calling as splitting the middle term. So we have to use splitting the middle term over here, as so many times I was telling each and every student that this method will continue in 10th standard and it will be very useful method in most of the chapters of 10th standard. So again this is coming in the 4th chapter that we have to use factorization method, means we have to do splitting the middle term. So let us solve this first question, that is x square minus 3x minus 10 and that is equals to 0. प्रोसेस क्या है वो मैं पहले से बता देती हूँ. We having number as 10 ones are 10. We have to take out factors of it. Possible factors of 10 will be 10 ones are 10 and another will be 5 twos are 10. These are the possible factors. As much as possible we have to take out factors of it. That is the first thing. Then we have to see the sign. If it is in minus, whatever the operation it will be minus. यानी हमें माइनस करके आंसर -3 लाना है, तो पहले हम आंसर 3 लेके आते हैं. मीन्स व्हाट इज द प्रोसेस? इफ इट इज माइनस वी हैव टू डू माइनस ऑफ दिस नंबर, मीन्स 10 minus 1, so we are getting 9. बट वी डोंट वांट 9 ओवर दैट, सो वापस 5 2 से ट्राई करेंगे. सो 5 minus 2 इफ वी आर डूइंग, वी आर गेटिंग 3 ओवर दैट. हमें 3 तो मिल रहा है, यानी वी नीड दिस, वी डोंट नीड दैट, सो इट इज नॉट एग्जिस्ट फॉर अस. So right now we having 5 twos are 10, means this 10, and if we are doing subtraction, because here the symbol is minus, तो अगर हम subtraction कर रहे हैं we are getting 3, yes, but we want a -3 over here. So what is the thing? If we are doing -5 and if we are doing 2 as plus, so what we want, ऑपरेशन हमें माइनस का चाहिए, यानी प्लस माइनस होगा माइनस ही, आंसर भी 3 ही आएगा, बट ओनली द सिंबल ऑफ द ग्रेटर नंबर विल बी चेंज. सो हियर वी विल डू वन लिटिल बिट चेंज, दैट 5 we will take as minus and 2 we will take it as plus. So then only we are getting -3 over there. So this is the concept that we have to follow for each question. Now we want x, so सब जगह पे हम x लगा देंगे. Means now on the place of -3x what we can write? So here we can write x square minus 5x plus 2, यानी -3x का splitted form क्या है? -5x plus 2x. So that we are writing over here, and -10 and that is equals to 0. Now we will take these two brackets and we will take out something common. अभी common कैसे निकालेंगे? So यहाँ पे 2x है because it is x square and it is 5x. It means दोनों में क्या common दिख रहा है? So we can see x common, so we will take x common. So अगर हमने यहाँ से x निकाल दिया, अगर हमने यहाँ से x निकाल दिया, तो in the bracket what will remain? x minus 5 will remain. So this is the concept to take out common. इसी तरह से अब हमें अगर फर्स्ट ब्रैकेट मिल जाता है, सेम ब्रैकेट we need over here, so anyhow we will take out, means 2x, and if we are splitting it into 5 twos, what we can take out common, तो 2 common निकल रहा है. We need minus over there, तो हम plus 2 को common निकालेंगे. So in the bracket what will remain? x minus 5 will remain. These two bracket must be same. ये हमारी प्रैक्टिस के लिए था, that's why I rubbed that thing. But what we did, we have taken common from it and we made two brackets same. अगर हमारे दो bracket same है तो हम पहले first bracket को लिख देंगे जो same है, और now whatever is outside that we will write inside. Now here we got two factors. इसे factors बोलते हैं. We got two factors of this quadratic equation. Now we will compare it with 0. So if we are comparing first one, means x minus 5 with 0, what we are getting? X is equals to 5 we are getting. And in the second one, if we are comparing x plus 2 with 0, we are getting x is equals to minus 2. So this is the concept. We got two zeros of this polynomial, one is 5 and another is -2. Means when we are substituting the value of 5 over here, we will get answer as 0, as well as when we are substituting -2 on the place of x, we will get answer as 0. That's why these are called as zeros of the polynomial. यानी इस polynomial के We are substituting minus 2 over there, again we will get answer as 0. Now here we have to do that second question, means 6 2s are 12, means 12 is the number, 12 के हमें possible factors निकालना है, means 12 1s are 12, 4 3s are 12 and 6 2s are 12. As much as possible factors we have to take out, so we have written it. Now what we have to do? We have to do operation of minus. अगर हम minus कर रहे हैं, what should our answer? Our answer should be 1. So अगर हम 12 minus 1 कर रहे हैं, if we are doing 12 minus 1, we are getting answer as 11. If we are doing 4 minus 3, we are getting answer as 1. And if we are doing 6 minus 2, we are getting answer as 4. Means we need 1 over there. Means हम ये दो option को cut करेंगे. We need 4 minus 3, that is 1. So now on the place of this 4x square we will write 2x square plus 4x minus 3x minus 6 and that is equals to 0. Now we will take common from it. तो इन दोनों में 2 और x common है, so we will take out 2x common. So x will remain over here and 2 we have taken common, so it will remain 2 over here. One thing you have to check again and again. एक बार recheck कर लेते हैं. 2 into 2. 2 1s are 2 into x square, it is 2x square, and 2 2s are 4x, so it is 4x. Please check this that you did correct or not. You have taken correct thing. Now in the bracket if it is plus और यहाँ पे minus means we have to take out minus common. अगर हम minus 3 common निकाल रहे हैं because 3 is there also and 3 is in 6 also. So 3 अगर हम common निकाल रहे हैं, so this minus will become plus, so ये plus हो जाएगा. Again this minus will also become plus and they both are equals to 0. Means we have to take x plus 2 in one bracket and we have to write 2x minus 3 in another bracket and that is equals to 0. Now these are the two factors that which we have taken common. Now we have to compare it with 0, means x plus 2 equals to 0 and 2x minus 3 equals to 0. Means x will become, it will goes there and it will become minus, so it will become x minus 2. And here again when we are comparing it, 3 will goes there and it will become plus and 2 is in multiply, it will goes and it will be divide. It will become 3 by 2. So this is how we can solve this question. I hope you understood. This is very familiar method because we already did this thing in 8th standard also and in 9th standard too. And again it is repeating over the time in 10th standard. This is the one new kind of question. Under root 2x square plus 7x plus 5 under root 2 is equals to 0. So अब हम इसे splitting the middle term कैसे करेंगे? Means first we have to multiply this. So if we are multiplying 5 under root 2 with under root 2, these both under root 2 will make 2 and 5 will remain same. Means 5 2s are 10. Means eventually after multiplying we are getting one simplest form of it, that is in the form of 10. यानी हमें 5 अंडर रूट 2 या अंडर रूट 2 के फैक्टर्स नहीं निकालने हैं, हमें 10 के ऐसे पॉसिबल फैक्टर्स निकालने हैं. देन व्हेन वी आर डूइंग और व्हेन वी आर एडिंग इट वी आर गेटिंग 7. मींस वी हैविंग टू ऑप्शन, वन इज 10 1s are 10 and one is 5 2s are 10. And what we have to do, we have to add it because here the sign is of plus. So अगर हम 10 plus 1 कर रहे हैं हमें आंसर मिल रहा है that is 11 and if you are doing 5 plus 2 we are getting answer as 7. So we got answer as 7 means we don't need this, we need this one. So now on the place of this we will write that ax and on the place of 7x what we have to write, that is under root 2x square and splitted form of 7x is 5x plus 2x plus 5 under root 2 and that is equals to 0. यानी हमने स्प्लिट कर दिया है. Now the student are facing most common problem that is to take out common from it. अब यहाँ से पता नहीं चलता उन्हें कि हम कॉमन क्या निकालें. सो यहाँ पे अंडर रूट 2 है, x है और x है बिकॉज इट इज इन दी फॉर्म ऑफ x स्क्वायर एंड हियर व्हाट इज देयर, इट इज 5 एंड x. यहाँ पे हम पॉसिबली देख सकते हैं दोनों में x है मीन्स वी विल टेक x कॉमन. सो इफ यू आर टेकिंग x कॉमन यहाँ पे बच जाएगा अंडर रूट 2x एंड दैट इज प्लस 5. सो दिस थिंग वी गॉट ओवर हियर. So, इसी तरह से वापस बच्चों को प्रॉब्लम होगा. यहाँ कोई चीज कॉमन दिखाई नहीं दे रही है विजिबली, दैट इज 5 एंड दैट इज अंडर रूट 2 एंड दैट इज 2, बट वी विल मेक दिस 2 एज अंडर रूट 2 मीन्स 2 का अनदर फॉर्म है अंडर रूट 2 इंटू अंडर रूट 2. व्हेन वी आर डूइंग अंडर रूट 2 इन अंडर रूट 2 वी आर गेटिंग 2. तो 2 का अनदर फॉर्म हमने इस फॉर्म में लिखा ताकि हमें दोनों में अंडर रूट टू दिखे और वो हम कॉमन निकाल सके. मीन्स इफ वी हैव टेकन आउट अंडर रूट 2 फ्रॉम बोथ ऑफ दिस वी आर गेटिंग अंडर रूट 2x and here plus 5 and we made these two brackets same. So this is the process. In that we could not write this thing because we already did in last year, but this is for explanation that how the common things we can take out. Now we are going towards our original process. In that if we made two brackets same, हम उन्हें बाहर निकाल लेते हैं. Means under√2x plus 5 we have write, and in another bracket we will write x plus under√2. Now the half process that we will do it again, that is under√2x plus 5 we will compare it with 0. ये bracket को हमने 0 के साथ compare किया है. So 5 is going that it will become minus 5, and if we are taking minus under√2 down, so we got x, the value of x as minus 5 under√2. Now if we are comparing another bracket with 0, so it will become x, and if we are keeping it that side it will become minus, so another 0 or another value of x we got as under√2. I hope you understood because it is in the form of under root, so you have to do practice of more question like this because this is the new thing for the 10th standard. Splitting the middle term we already did in 9 and 8th standard as I told you, but this is the new thing in splitting the middle term for the 10th standard students. I hope you understood. You can see the new question. These are the two last questions for the question 1. This is another form that we have to simplify it first. यानी यहाँ पे हमें LCM लेना पड़ेगा. They don't have any denominator. It means we have to multiply 8 over here and 8 over there. If 8 is here also we have to multiply 8 and 8. Then it will become 8 twos and here 8x, and that will become 1, and all having denominator as 8, and that is equals to 0. So this is the method in which we have taken LCM of 8. Now we will multiply 8 this side, so it will become 6x square minus 8x plus 1, and that is equals to 0. Now here we got our quadratic equation या quadratic formula जो हमें मिला है वो अभी हमें splitting the middle term करनी है. Means 16 ones are 16. So here we have to multiply both of this. If it is 1 and if it is 16, then also it is 16. But यहाँ पे eventually यहाँ 1 है and here is 16. So 16 ones are 16. We have to take out possible factors of 16. So 16 ones are 16. Another factor of that 4 fours are 16. Another factor of 8 twos are 16. And if any another factors are there, we can write over that. But यहाँ पे ऑपरेशन करना है प्लस. Means when we are doing 16 plus 1 it will become 17, and if we are doing 4 plus 4 it will become 8. So as we know हमें यहाँ प्लस करके 8 ही लाना है, so we will consider these as factors. But the problem is that we need minus 8, so हमें एक चीज़ चेंज करनी पड़ेगी. That will be we will make both this माइनस, ताकि माइनस माइनस विल बिकम प्लस, यानी ऑपरेशन तो प्लस का ही होगा बट डेसिमल विल बिकम माइनस. मीन्स ऑन द प्लेस ऑफ नाउ minus 8x we can write that is minus 4x and minus 4x, and that plus 1 we will write as it is, and this is how we can make. Now we will take out common, so हम यहाँ से 4x कॉमन निकालेंगे. तो 4 के टेबल में 16 कब आता है, तो 4 4s are 16, तो 4x will remain. 4x हमने यहाँ से पूरा कॉमन निकाला है तो यहाँ कुछ नहीं बचेगा, 1 will remain. यहाँ हम ये पूरी टर्म सेम देख सकते हैं. वी कैन सी द सेम टर्म एज इट इज, बट द प्रॉब्लम इज दैट हियर इज प्लस एंड हियर इज माइनस. तो कंपल्सरीली वी विल टेक -1 कॉमन, क्योंकि कॉमन कोई चीज़ नहीं है इन दोनों में. सो वी विल टेक -1 कॉमन बाय आवरसेल्फ, ताकि ये जो -8 विल बिकम प्लस और ये जो प्लस है वो इट विल बिकम माइनस, एंड दैट इज हाउ वी कैन मेक दिस टू ब्रैकेट सेम. अगर ये दो ब्रैकेट सेम है देन वी विल राइट इट इन one bracket, and whatever is remain that we will write in another bracket. Splitting the middle term is that kind of thing कि बच्चे बहुत सारी प्रॉब्लम कर सकते. they are making mistakes over here, they are not taking proper thing common. If they have done proper thing common, they will not write minus over here, and if they have done this thing proper, they are not writing this thing in proper bracket. So many problems that students are facing for this. Now we have to compare this with 0, so it will become 4x minus 1 is equals to 0. So if 1 is going there, it will become plus 1, and if 4 is going down, it will become 1 upon 4. So here first one x, value of x we got as 1 upon 4. Now we will compare second bracket with 0. So we are getting, this will become plus 1. So we have to make x alone है तो 4 multiply में it will goes down and it will be in the form of divide. So this is how we have found two values of x, that is 1 upon 4 and 1 upon 4. Now we will try this second question, that is 100 ones are 100. So we got value as 100. अभी हमें 100 के ऐसे possible factor निकालने हैं ताकि plus करके आंसर 20 आए. So let us try all the possible thing. 1 is like 100 ones are 100, 50 twos are 100, 25 fours are. So it is nearby, but we have to do plus and do minus 20. So अगर हम यहाँ minus कर रहे हैं तब 21 आंसर आए, means these are not possible factors. Means we have to find more factors for that. So let us found. So another thing we will try, that is 25 are. Right. Now another we have to try, that is 10 tens are 100. No. That is the better because it is plus. तो जब हम 10 plus 10 करेंगे we will get answer as 20. We need minus 20 तो हम minus 10 कर देंगे. So eventually minus minus will become plus, means operation of plus is going but the sign will be of minus. यानी on the place of 100x square now I can write that is minus 10x and minus 10x on the place of minus 20. This is the splitted term of minus 20 and that is equals to 0. Now these all things you have to do in rough, so no need to mention, and if you are not having time you can make separate little bit rough work over there, don't do messy. And now here we will take common from it. So 10 यहाँ obviously होगा because 10 tens are 100. So 10 and x we are taking common. So 10 now again we will multiply 10 tens are 100 x into x square. So we got very right term over there. Now we have, if we have taken 10x common, पूरी टर्म निकल गई है तो सिर्फ यहाँ पे बचेगा that is 1. अब यहाँ हम देख सकते हैं again the same process is happening. यहाँ पे भी सेम चीज आई है but the symbol is different. So we will take minus 1 common. So this minus 10 will become plus x and this plus will become minus and that is equals to 0. Now if these two brackets are same we will write here and this thing we will write in another bracket and that is equals to 0. Now we will compare this. If we are comparing 10x minus 1 with 0 and if we are comparing this 10x minus 1 with 0. Though we are knowing that both having same answer, still we will compare and we will make this kind of same answer over there too. So let us shift this 1 over there, it will become plus. बहुत सारे बच्चों का प्लस माइनस में प्रॉब्लम होगा, बी टेक मीन्स बी केयरफुल रिलेटेड टू इट. So it will become, it is in multiply it goes down और ये हो गया divide by 10 और इसी तरह यहाँ पे same process x will become 1 upon 10. So this is how we got two answer and they both having same zeros. So eventually when we are substituting 1 upon 4 in this equation we will get answer as 0 and here if we are substituting 1 upon 10 in this equation we will get another time answer as 0. So this is the concept of this thing. This is not very important because this thing we already did. But the new thing is in this form. वो लोग अलग फॉर्म में पूछ रहे हैं, अंडर रूट में है या अपॉन में. फर्स्ट यू हैव टू टेक आउट इन सिंपल फॉर्म, देन यू हैव टू डू फैक्टराइज. But do practice of more and more factorization because in this chapter when we are solving problem sums तो प्रॉब्लम सम सॉल्व होगी, यू विल गेट वन क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन, बस उसके दो ही आंसर होंगे. यू कैन सॉल्व इट बाय आइदर स्प्लिटिंग द मिडल टर्म और अ क्वाड्रेटिक फॉर्मूला. तो अभी हमने पढ़ा नहीं है क्वाड्रेटिक फॉर्मूला बिकॉज राइट नाउ फॉर द एक्सरसाइज 4.2 वी मस्ट हैव टू यूज विच मेथड, फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड एंड दैट इज द स्प्लिटिंग द मिडल टर्म. So that is why we did this. In the next exercise I hope we will do.